Hi guys, wish you a very good evening. I hope you all are doing amazing. As you all know, today is Sunday, so we are all at home. We all have plans to go with our loved ones to rejuvenate ourselves and enjoy some quality times with our friends and loved ones. So the topic today I choose is three qualities of boys versus girls which attracts. So it may be differ for different persons, but it's my personal recommendations and personal assumptions, the quality which attracts uh, a boy or a girl. So because I am a boy, so we will start. I will start with the girl. So the first quality which attract in a girl is her innocence. You can flirt with a beautiful girl, but if she is not innocent, it is really get difficult to get attached with her. If a girl is innocent and you really fall in love with her easily, because it's a quality, it's a it's a inner thing which attracts, and people feel belongingness, coziness with the person who are innocent. So the first quality is innocence, which attracts the boys most. The second quality which I would love to say, funny. It's because these qualities I have chosen, it's my personal favorite one, so it may be differ for different persons. Funniness. A girl must be funny all the time, or if not all the time, most of the time she should be funny. She should make jokes on you, or she should because it's very important. uh, there are ups and downs in life, and if she is not funny, she is not a good sense of humor, you cannot enjoy with her. Because sometimes you are working, you are under pressure, sometimes there are some difficulties in your life, sometimes there is ups and downs in your relationship, so that time a funny person will make the things smooth. So I'm lucky to I have few relations like that. But so the third quality which attract the a boy is how a girl look at her look, I mean, you can say her way of looking, which, because if you see some person see you, the way he say, you can easily find out the affection, the love, the care in in his or her eyes. So it doesn't need to say, you can easily find out that. Even if a person is fighting with you, and you can easily see in her eyes, and you can see how that person loves you. So because a person can't hide that. So the third quality which I recommend, which I think is more attractive, is the how she looks you. How maybe she is shouting at you, maybe she is fighting with you, maybe she's happy, maybe she's sad, but the affection and the love and the care in her eyes for you, with that attracts the most. Now we come to the boys. First qualities, I think uh, a boy must be a romantic quality. So guys, we are discussing the qualities of a boy. The first quality, as we discussed, he must be romantic. Because if a boy is not romantic, you can't spend more time with him. Because a romantic person, a boy, do creative things always, and a romantic boy is uh, always a good choice. Because I don't know about others, but I am a romantic person, and this quality is really beneficial for me, and for you can say it's amazing. It's attract. Usually, you can say a romantic person do creative things. That's why he has more probabilities than the others boys. Now the second quality is the attachment, the emotional belongingness, which we can say. Uh, it is called some voice, because behavior and belongingness are two different things. Maybe that boy is not have not a good behavioral skill, not a good attitude, not a, because it's a his personal thing, but the way you feel he attached with you, his belongingness to you, his cares for you, is the quality which I think attracts the girl of a boy. That is the second quality. And the third quality I think which attracts is the which I can say, the sense of humor. A boy must have a sense of humor. A boy must have a funny. It is a common quality for both boys and girls. Both should be funny. Both should be uh, uh, loved. Both should be loved their mm, sense of humor skills. So these are three qualities. The first one was the boy must be romantic. The second one is the boy should have a care for girl. It should it is not a care. I mean a care, a such type of care, a respect for girl, not in only on a physical way. Respect doesn't mean that you are talking very gently. You are showing your respect. Respect means something which you feel. कहते हैं ना कि हिंदी में एक शेर है कि वो था बहुत बुरा, वो था बहुत बुरा, पर तब उसका जिक्र भी था। वो था बहुत बुरा, तब उसका जिक्र भी था। आज वो चला गया, था बुरा पर जिक्र उसका आज भी है। I hope you guys are enjoying. Wish you a very happy evening and Sunday, guys.